Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to play the melody of Nardis. First, I'll play it in a slow tempo. Then I'll give you some recommendations and I'll finish by playing the melody in a faster tempo. I recommend you to pay attention to important detail to make it sound better. Here we have a string skipping moment, which makes it more difficult to control the open strings. It can cause a dirty sound on the background. To avoid it, you should control the strings by means of your right hand. Now let's play the melody faster.